of all of you, we wish to start this event. I would like to call upon Mr. Ajay Bhagwat to welcome all the guests.
I'm going to read out the speech. So it's my pleasure to be able to welcome you all here for this exciting get-together. One of the best things about today is that we have been able to bring all our family and friends together to mark this joyous occasion. We hope that you will thoroughly enjoy our special day. Get-togethers are a marvelous excuse for a big party, and today is no excuse. We have a simply great people here who are very successful and resourceful in their careers. Very shortly, we will be hearing from each one of them about their success secrets. They say that one of the best things about the get-together is the way they bring friends and families together. Well, that's certainly true of this one. People have come here today from far and wide: Hyderabad, Indore, Mumbai, Delhi, Nagotne, Pune and Baramati, and also Deemta has come all the way from Jubel. We have received messages from our friends from USA, Canada, Africa, Saudi, and they actually wanted to share their opinions and then their basically mind shares with us. I'm going to read out some of the messages. Seeing all the members of our family in one place is quite a novelty. Modern life is too busy that we are all usually rushing off into different directions. This get-together has given us a chance to relax and enjoy each other's company. Some of you have already mentioned to me that they are laughing, enjoying and smiling after so many years. Yeah, so actually the journey of the life is unpredictable and nobody knows what path destiny would give us to walk. These paths brought us together in early 90s for a mission to accomplish. This mission was to set up a greenfield project of seamless steel tube plant at Baramati. I have created a short film which symbolizes this journey. We hope that you will like it and take you down to the memory lane. Yeah, lights will have to be switched off.
Thank you, Mr. Bhagwat. Hope that the film took you down to the memory lane. Some of the KSTL friends are not with us. Mr. Shirke, Mr. Ganeshan, Mr. Walme, Mr. Tupchi. Some of the workmen took a journey of eternity. However, they are still there in our hearts. And as a gesture, let's stand up for 20 seconds as a tribute to their memories and pray God that their souls be rested in peace. Thank you all. Let me outline the program for the day. What comes up next is the friendly conference of all. We are eager to know about your achievements, about your family, and about your next dreams. Therefore, we will invite each one of you to speak your mind. We will announce the names. At an opportunity time, some of our friends who reside abroad are going to join us over video conference. We will hear and see them speak to us. At the end of this conference, we have a special program. At 1 p.m., we will go to Paitha for lunch. After the lunch, we will visit the beautiful museum which houses very special historical objects. After the visit to the museum, after the visit to the museum, we will take a look at the property of the Garh and then see the event of Shivaji martial arts. After this event, we will enjoy Kathak by a very professional Kathak dancers from Pune's one of the best Kathak groups. Then we will come back to this hall and enjoy high tea and conclude the day-long event of Friends. We will now announce the names of the friends who are requested to come over to the stage and share your feelings with us. Mr. Amar Hattarki.
I am short, so I probably people can't see me. Anyway, it's all right. Hello. Yeah, good morning. First of all, I'm very happy to see everyone here, my seniors, my friends, all the ladies. This is my wife, Revati. I'm blessed with one son, Harshal, who is having his prelims, 10th prelims in another 15 days. So he's not come here. For me, Baramati as a journey of life was very enjoying. And as they say that foundation for any life is very important. I had a very strong foundation in my career in this job where I met a lot of experienced people who guided me and which was very useful for my future. Right now I have an industrial unit at Belgaum, my hometown. I'm specialized in, I cater to all the steel industries of that belt. I am specialized in water cooler panels, hydraulics, and all machine components for blast furnace, all the furnaces there for steel industries. And business is okay. I'm happy. I'm happy to see everyone here. And once again, some of them I don't know because I was in API API was never referred here anyway, but yeah. Sorry. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Anyway, I was in API, so the reason why I don't know most of them here, but afterwards I shifted to Pilgar, and I was for short period, I left Baramati 96 January. I was here for almost 3 years. This was my first and last job, and I thoroughly enjoyed, and good to see everyone once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Mr. Atul, Mr. and Mrs. Atul Deshmukh.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Atul Deshmukh. I started my career in Kalyani Steel. Today I have come alone because my son's exams have started. He is in 10th standard, and my wife is also working. Right now I am working in Siemens. I am basically from Pune, but shifted to Mumbai for last 2 years. In Kalyani, I started my career. This was my first job. I was in accounts, and it was a wonderful journey. I have never forget this journey. पगार नाही मी कॅश पण देत होतो का व्हाउचर मला आठवत आहे अजून कोणाकोणी साईन नाही केलेली आहे लक्षात आहेत ते अभ्यंकर साहेब काटायचे सो थँक्यू व्हेरी मच अजय थँक्यू व्हेरी मच फॉर दिस इव्हेंट मी सजेस्ट करेन की दर 6 महिन्यांनी हा इव्हेंट व्हायला पाहिजे सो थँक्यू व्हेरी मच
Thank you, Atul Deshmukh. Bala Murugan. Mr. Bala Murugan.
Good morning to everyone. I'm Bala Murugan. So I know many of the people, and initially I was a bit difficult to recognize since very long gap. So sorry, if anybody feel that. And we came from Tamil Nadu, Trichy, from BHL, and we have been taken by Ramratnam Saab, and Ramratnam Saab we met in Trichy BHL, and he was saying we friends there, and he said, okay, you people are interested to work in Pune, I'm ready to take you. So based on that reference, in fact I was forgotten to carry the any letters or call letters. I came alone to Pune on the word of sir, and I met him in his office, and he arranged for the interview. Sorry. No, sir, telephone. So I've been then based on that I've been selected, and we were the people right from the beginning. My colleagues, Mr. Manoj Mungarwadi, Patil, and Harsavardhan and all our teams. Yeah. And we were enjoyed that period because we started from the landscaping onwards. And initially we were playing the cricket also inside of the campus. And then, sir? No, because we started. Yeah, and then we were the very like, after completion of engineering, we enter into these things after BHL 1 year apprenticeship. And we have got a very good guidelines and encouragement, basically like our JMD Saab, Atharki Saab. He was such a very top most authority at that time. And whenever we near to him and he used to advise, we used to come and shake hand us and encourages us. And like all our seniors, Ras Saab and Lakshman Saab, and everyone was encouraged, and they're encouraged for working us. And our mill team, Mr. S.R. Kulkarni sir and Bhagwat sir, they were and Bobkar sir, they were all the team, strong team for the erection and commissioning of our mill, and Mr. Nagaraj sir also. So under them guidance, we enjoyed and we gathered lot of knowledge and we grow to this level. And thanks for this all. And this is my wife, Anandi. And this is my elder daughter, Susmita. And this is Sweta, younger daughter. Thank you. Thank you very much for all.
Mic off hotta. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Balamurugan. Now, Mr. and Mrs. B.A. Patil. Okay. Mr. and Mrs. Chandu Kare. Mr. and Mrs. D.K. Kunte.
हॅलो मी 1995 मध्ये जॉईन झालेलो आहे इंडियन सिमलेसमध्ये म्हणजे कल्याणीमध्ये. बोल 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 थांब थांब. I am joining Kalyani Seamless in the year of 1994 August, and I am started in maintenance with नहीं कन्नड़ तो मेरा मदर टंग है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. इथे मला बरंच शिकायला मिळाले त्याच्यामुळं आपल्याला आपलं करिअर मध्ये बराचसा ग्रोथ झालेला आहे आणि आपले सिनियर लोक आपल्याला बराच हेल्प करत आहेत कंटिन्युएशन मध्ये आणि त्यांच्या एक ह्याच्यामुळं आमचं प्रगती तर होतच आहे. आणि आता बरंच डिपार्टमेंट आपल्याला बघावं लागत आहे आणि माझे कलिग्स आहेत हे सगळे फारच म्हणजे हे आहेत हेल्पफुल आहेत. थँक्यू. हे माझे मिसेस आहे रंजना आणि हे माझी मुलगी आहे सृष्टी आणि एक कृष्णा.
Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. D.K. Kunte. Mr. and Mrs. Dada Desai. Mr. and Mrs. Dayananda Petkar.
Good morning, everybody. Actually, most of the people, I started my industrial career in 1989. However, I joined Kalyani Seamless in 1995 in API section. 1990 under Prince, yes. So that's the reason. I worked under Prince, so there is a little polish to my life. Because I learned one thing, the approach to the what is called, to the world, to the people, to the work, to the personal life, everything. Actually, I will not. I want to share many things. Okay. Okay. I started my career in basically very effectively in Kalyani Seamless in finishing area. Most of the people may be aware about me and my total working culture and working approach and everything. But what happened? After finishing, I learned one thing: to face the problems, because initially the finishing area was very what is called value added area for the seamless pipe, and all whatever product is going through the finishing area, it is directly affecting the face value of the company, because that is the last operation in the whole seamless process. So from that I learned to save the face value related to the work, related to the relations, related to the everything. So I want to share, I left this ISMT, means Kalyani Seamless, afterwards ISMT. I worked 13 years in the ISMT. In short period I work in hot mill area also. So I learned many things, and I left in 2007 and I joined ArcelorMittal for Greenfield project. In 2012, last year, I left that company and I started small unit to support the seamless tubes. Because while working with the finishing area, hot mill, we'll always face the problem of resources. So I thought, why we have to create such hub which will support domestic as well as international seamless business. So that project is under construction, and hope in June we are going to start both the product in the operations. I want to show some 3-4 minutes video clip which I worked in Greenfield project. So Bhagwat sir has shared the Greenfield project of Kalyani Seamless. So I want to share my experience, what I worked with the ArcelorMittal. So that I want to share to you people, to at least to collect all memories, to share with our future generation or our colleagues, to have some value addition from that. A small remembering for me, and also I am going to create what is called the small unit to support the seamless tubes. So I will be in touch with the my old all vendors, all colleagues, all companies, customers. Regarding my personal life, my wife Sunita, actually she sacrificed many things to create me at this level. I have one child who is studying in 10th standard in Gurukul, and hope all your what is called good wishes will be with me to create something more. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Petkar. Mr. Devendra Shah. Mr. and Mrs. Devendra Shah. Mr. and Mrs. Gopa Kumar.
Good morning, everybody. I was with Kalyani from 90 October to 94 March, and I was taking care of surface treatment plant, and I was reporting to Mr. S.R. Kulkarni, and I was there for almost 3.5 years, and then I left and joined Soft Pipes. There I was for almost 7 years. Then after that I left and joined Arihant or Innovative. There I was for almost 9 years, and now I am into my own sourcing and business development consultancy. This is my wife Preeta, and this is my son Govind. And I have got an elder daughter who has not come today because she is having prelims board exams. She is in 10th. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Gopa Kumar. Mr. and Mrs. Harshvardhan Patil.
First of all, thank you to KSTL team for making this event a very successful event. Myself Harshvardhan. I born and brought up in Baramati. I started my career in 1990 with Walchand Nagar Industries. I definitely remember very well Mr. Ramratnam sir, Mr. Rattari sir, Mr. Bhagwat sir, Atle sir. They used to come to Walchand Nagar for the follow-up of gearboxes. And at that time the MIDC started in Baramati. We were very much curious about which companies are coming to Baramati and many things. So during that period, I could get in touch with some purchase people and then mill people. And in 1994, I joined in Kalyani Simles in planning department. And it was a great experience to work in the company in the initial stage. There were no rules or there were no systems or there were hardly anything. Systems in the sense? Please forgive me. I am talking about only for the initial stage of the production, not for the erection or commissioning or many other things. So we are under the good guidance of Mr. Tarki and Mr. Ramratnam, it was very nice to work. Then I worked there for almost 14 years. It was Indian Seamless up to this February 2008. Then I also joined the ArcelorMittal in Saudi. First 6 to 8 months we were in Luxembourg, and then we shifted to Saudi, basically a Jubail plant. And then I also worked there for almost 4 years. It was basically great experience, as already shared by Mr. Petkar. We could learn a lot of things. We could get exposure to many international people in the seamless business. However, it was not obligation, but I thought staying there for 4 years, I thought let's come back. So I came back to Baramati last year. I have started my own business of import and exports. I have my own office in Baramati, and my wife could not come here. My son is in 12th standard. He has exams. I have another daughter. She is in 5th standard, and I am really happy to be with all you people. It was a great thing to share many things in our life, and I definitely think that we should meet once in a year. Definitely, it will be having more joyful. Yes. Yes, definitely. I think if not this year, but I will suggest, or I declare it on behalf of Mr. Bhapkar, that if not this year, but next year, 9th April 2014, Mr. Bhapkar's birthday, that day it will be having a get-together.
No contribution.
I hope, and I invite all of you on behalf of Baramati people to come to Baramati to share more and more good memories. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Harshvardhan Patel. Mr. and Mrs. Lalit Bankar.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. I am Lalit Bankar from Baramati. I worked with KSTL from 1993 to 2010. After that, I worked with JESCO for 1 year from 2010 to 2011. After that, I joined USTPL at Hyderabad, Narkatpalli with Manoj Mungarwadi sir, and performing well in Hyderabad. I am having a wife Rani and 2 kids. Elder is Shubham. He is studying in 2nd year diploma at GPP Pune, and younger is Shubham. He is studying in younger is Om. He is studying in 7th standard.
Thank you, Mr. Bankar. Mr. and Mrs. Lohar. Mr. and Mrs. Mahendra Patil.
Morning, everybody. As you all know that the first job itself is plays a very important role for everything. First job was also very important for me also, and I remember almost everything in this particular job. This was almost for a span of 5.5 years, not a very short period, and this has given me a very good foundation. No, I need to talk a bit about this. I will talk from the day, I was referred by one Mr. Katti, who used to handle the civil jobs that time. And I was interviewed by Mr. K.V. Ramaratnam that time. I still remember even most of the questions he had asked me in this interview. And these techniques I still use in my own interviewing my candidates right now also. So most of the important things what I learned, to start with even the interview. So first he talked to me about most of my academic career. Then he took me through my projects and also talked to me, understood about what you are doing with your life other than academics. How are we dealing with? That time, there used to be we used to have this. It being 1990, we had a World Cup football. I know there used to be a very great player called as Roger Milla. So he was asking me, who is this fellow? How old is he? Which country he plays for? All these things. But that also gave you a lot of insight into a person, how you also deal with your life outside academics. How do you correlate yourselves with the society? Though they seems very small at that point of a time, when I go through them right now, they have got a lot of correlation with what is being asked that time. So I joined KSTL in 1st September 1990. It was an extremely great experience going through concept to, you can say, commissioning, productionization. I think this was one of the greatest experience what we could understand, where we started on a drawing board. Even we did not know what is the layout that time. We started making a layout. Then we used to have a drafting that day. We never had this CAD drawings and every day I think I think the first group what we were recruited. We were, I think, 10 to 15 people. Abhay used to be one of the, major person who used to make drawings and all. So all drawings were put on a white board, and we used to go and have discussions on the drawing board. One Mr. Kakkar used to head the organization that time. And we spent a lot of time on the drawing board to understand what we are going to build in the site. And subsequently, we all went to site. It was a barren land. Mr. Bhagwat was made the site in charge, though he started us with as my first boss for a very short period, and subsequently he was shifted to site. Then I was reporting to one Mr. N.D. Wilfred. What we learned during this stage was equipment selection, going to the customer. We never had all this experience, coming out of a college. One thing I learned, especially from Mr. K.V. Ramaratnam, was to a very young team, he gave a lot of freedom, challenges, and backup. I think one sentence what he used to repeat when we were working that time was, he used to tell, his boss told him that, I have so much of confidence in you that you will not make a mistake which I cannot correct. You can go ahead and do whatever you want to do. I'm sure that you will not make a mistake which I cannot correct. So go ahead and do. So this even I learned, and I keep using this particular sentence many times in my life now. Though it was I think it was probably in the first year we learned, maybe more than 20 years back we heard this. But these very small things, but very effective things which we have learned. And second thing was when we entered site and we had a lot of training done abroad that time. It was a great experience going ahead and having training abroad. Exposure to the European countries, the climate and all those things. It was a good experience. Second thing is also when we started the plant and started productionizing the equipment, So we started talking about utilization of the equipment. When we started having an interaction with BVH that time, so he used to tell us, which till today helps me. What is plant utilization? What is an equipment uptime? What is an yield? What is an contribution? I think the contribution word, I can explain it to anybody who comes to my life. I can because that's the time he told me what is a contribution which happens. And being from the cold mill, we used to make an highest contribution from our equipment. And he was, he was very much worried, or he wanted to see that how the uptime is highest, and how we can do maximum contribution out of this, the product mix, all those things. We learnt in depth. Second is also whom I used to directly report to, Mr. Wilfred. So there's a lot of learning, good leadership. Having he used to have a very good what you can say, that emotional quotient, what you call it as, especially both wins and losses he used to take in the same spirit. Many times we feel very difficult to digest failures. Actually, when we started this career, we made many mistakes. I think we made more mistakes than successes in the initial stage, because that is why we learned. We were pushed into many activities where we were asked to do many things which we thought we couldn't do earlier. So we did many activities. So there was a lot of learning from him. One Mr. Lakshman also there, I think the man cool, what we used to call him. We never saw him very angry any time. With Mr. Pachpande, though I used to report him, he never made me feel that he is a boss. He has been almost like an elder brother, giving me a lot of advices, helped me to reduce many of my mistakes. I made many mistakes, especially this 5.5 years. It was a great experience, working with Mr. Dilip Pachpande. He was very close. We worked almost all the 5.5 years when we were together. Almost all the time we were together. So it was a great experience, having him as my close subordinate, close boss, as you said. Though I used to report him, he never made me feel like he was my boss anytime. Not even once. Not even once he said that he used to always tell me where make corrections and all. So these 5.5 years have been a very, very great experience for me. What I can tell is the industrial experience, as well as the experience of facing life together, because I came from Karnataka. I had never gone out of Karnataka till that time. It was the first time I came here. I still remember, Abhay took me to one of the trekking in Pune. We were not aware of these trekkings. He took me to just mingle with the people. So there was a lot of good reception. Company called as Uka Systems India Private Limited. It's a German company based out of Augsburg in Germany. We are into robotics and equipment building for the automotives and the general industries. I work as a Vice President Sales, Engineering and Projects there. So I think I should congratulate Ajay for arranging such a beautiful get-together, helping us to meet most of our colleagues here. It was great to have here. About my family, Geeta, I think it was very difficult to get married staying in Baramati. So, as soon as I shifted to Pune, it happened. I married in 1998. Yesterday only we completed our 15 years of marriage. Then I have my son, Shreyas, is 13 years old. So Geeta actually is a post-graduation Ayurveda. She practices Ayurveda in Pune. I stay in Aund right now. So this is brief about me.